Hi everyone, today we're going to make an air-fried crispy pork belly, or in the Philippines we call it LECHON KAWALI. So put your sounds on. There you go. O diba, tunog pa lang sobrang crispy na. Definitely no deep frying, so we will just merely use an air fryer, okay? So there you go. Let's get started. Okay, so we will need 1 kilo pork belly, but if you want to cook more than that, like 2 kilos, you can do that as well. So we will cut it into 4 portions. We will also need 1 head large garlic, one teaspoon of whole black pepper, and then season the meat with salt. One stalk matured spring onion. Yung matured kasi po, yun po yung masyadong malasa or nagpapalasa sa meat or sa minsan sa soup. And then we will also need enough water to cover the whole meat. And that's pretty much it. So just simple ingredients. And then we will need to boil the meat for 1 hour. And as usual, sabi ni Habi, sa labas daw ako magpakulo just because he wants to feature yung kanyang DIY na kalan na kanyang ginawa. So that's it. So now, after an hour, we will need to drain the water or drain the meat and then place them on a tray.
Dapat patagilid o dapat pa nakaya.
So ayan, since maaraw naman ngayon, we will dry the meat under the sun for 3 hours to 5 hours. Or during winter time, you can set your oven to 40 degrees Celsius or 105 degrees Fahrenheit to dehydrate the meat for 1 to 2 hours. Or kung may air fryer naman kayo, use the dehydration process. I think that's 40 degrees Celsius as well. So heto na po, after dehydration, we will need salt and sesame oil. You can use the ordinary cooking oil if you want, but I like sesame oil better because it will give your meat a very distinct flavor siya. Mas masarap po siya. Okay, so first, rub the skin with your sesame oil. Just konting-konti lang po. And then followed by your salt or freshly cracked salt. So rub the skin with the salt as well. And then we will need to place the meat in an air fryer. Press air fry, which is 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until the skin is golden light brown, okay? Here you go. So, eto na siya. But then, we will need to place again inside the air fryer, this time for second cooking. Okay, second cooking, we will need to press the maximum crisp, which is 240 degrees Celsius, just for 3 minutes, okay? 3 minutes only. So, heto na! Here's the crispiest and juiciest pork belly or lechon kawali. So thank you for watching, guys, and watch out for my second video or part 2 of this, because I will be using this lechon kawali or crispy pork belly for my dinakdakan or sisig.